Hey, welcome to another video. And if you have WordPress WooCommerce stores and you want to send orders notification to the customer or to the admin, or if you're using multiple vendor plugin, you can send order notification to the vendor or to the admin to the customer. And if you change the order status, you can also update the customer on SMS or WhatsApp. And even you have, if you're generating leads, you have contact form 7 or your any membership plugin, you can also send notification to the admin and even to the user on SMS or WhatsApp. And the tool that I am going to share with you is really amazing, and it's going to help you to send SMS using your Android device as an SMS gateway. Means SMS will get delivered from your SIM card or your Android phone. And if you want to send orders notification on WhatsApp, then your WhatsApp account will be used, and you don't need to buy any kind of API key. Simply the tool is known as SMSrush.net. So this is a tool and it's very best for SMS and WhatsApp marketing. Even though for the bulk marketing, if you want to work on customer retention, that's the best tool for you guys. Simply click on sign in, and when you sign in the dashboard, if you don't have an account, you can simply create the account on SMSrush, and simply to integrate it with your WordPress website, you need to download their plugin and install it on your WordPress website. So on the top right here, you can click on plugins, and it will give you a pop-up to download the plugin. So they have a plugin for Perfect CRM, WHMCS, and even for the WooCommerce. So WooCommerce, this is the plugin for WordPress, so you can simply download that. And after downloading that, go to your website dashboard. Here simply go to plugins, click on add plugin, and upload plugin, click and choose plugin. So the plugin is downloaded, so you can simply click on the plugin name would be SMSrush, something like that. Click on open and install it. Click on activate plugin. Okay, the plugin has been activated. Actually, I already installed it, so that's why you can see the information when you are going to install that for the first time. That will be blank for you. And how you can do that, simply you need to create an API key on SMSrush. So that's very easy. Okay, to get the API key, you can simply scroll down to the tool section, and here it's called the API keys. So click on that and click on add key. From here you click on you give it any name, and in the permissions you need to select SMS send and was send. So basically this is for SMS and this is for WhatsApp. And in the plugin you can also see here, so you can create the API key, and you need these permission. And if you want to integrate SMSrush with any third-party tool, you can do that, and you can use their API key for free. So that's very easy. You need, at least you need these two permission. If you want to add more, you can simply select other permission as well. So click on give it any name. Let's say I'm gonna give it a name as a demo and submit. Okay, my API key has been generated. I can simply click and copy the API secret key from here. That will be copied, and then I need to paste that here in the API key section. And after that, you need to add your WhatsApp account unique ID. So whenever you connect a WhatsApp account with SMSrush, a unique ID will be generated for that, and device unique ID is for the Android. If you want to send SMS or WhatsApp, you can choose any one of these from here. So if you want to send order notification on SMS, you can select the SMS, and for that you need to add Android device. And that's very simple. You can go to host, and under host there are two options: Android for the Android devices. So you can click on add device, pop-up, and you can follow the instruction to install SMSrush app on your Android phone, and then you can connect that with the SMSrush portal. So in the Android device, you can see I have connected this Android device. I can simply click icon to copy the unique ID of this Android device, and in the SMSrush here I can simply paste that ID. For the WhatsApp, what I need to do is simply go to WhatsApp here, and you can see this WhatsApp account is connected, and this is a unique ID. I can simply click on that to copy the unique ID, and then I can paste the WhatsApp unique ID here, right? So I have a connected WhatsApp, and Android device is also connected. I want to send order notification on WhatsApp, so I will select that. Here I need to paste the API key that I have generated. Okay, I can simply copy the API key, and then I go back to the dashboard, and I can simply paste the API key here. So now I got the API key, I have a WhatsApp unique ID, and I have a device unique ID. And if you're sending SMS, you can select the SIM slot, like either you're going to select SIM 1 or SIM 2 if you have multiple or maybe two SIM cards in your Android device. And for the date format, if you want to use date format, you can select here, and a default country, if someone has not provided the country code, that default country code will be used. And then you can click on save. Setting will be saved. Then go to admin. Here you need to enable the notifications for the admin. If you want to send a notification on SMS, basically this means you are going to send SMS or WhatsApp, you need to select that, and send notification when the order is on hold or processing, on pending, or order is completed or cancelled or refunded. You can select these options from here, and here you need to add the admin phone number. So orders notification will send to this phone number. So this is a specific number for the admin only. I will show you how you can set these things for the customer as well. So here are the templates, so you can modify these templates according to your needs. So we have the key list here. We have these shortcodes. You can utilize these to fetch the data from database and update the message here automatically. And if you want to send a low stock product admin notification, you can create this template from here. And for the customer setting, you need to enable again here the notifications. What kind of notification you want to send to the customer, you can select all these options. It will depends on you. Default message, thank you for purchasing your order. Here will be the order ID, is know what's the order status, automatically fetched by the database. And sending if you have a pending notification, you can update these templates from here. And there are many templates for the customer, so you can select the option from here, and don't forget to click on save changes. And after that, here if you're using a multiple vendor plugin, then you can update multiple notifications from here as well. And we support multiple vendor plugins, like if you're using Dokan, or if you're using a WooCommerce product vendor or MultivendorX. These are, and I hope so it will work with other as well. And here are the send message. So if you want to send message to users, you can send message from here. So my setting has been updated, so let's place the order and see how it's gonna process my order. So let's go to the shop. I already added the product to the cart. Let's add another product to the cart. It's added, and let's proceed to checkout. Okay, so here I will fill my details. Okay, I have added the details, like first name, last name, address, and city, then the state, and the phone number. So here my phone number is optional, but you need to mark that as is compulsory. And I said this is just a demo store, so you don't have to worry about that. And whenever I'm going to place the order, I will receive a message from the SMSrush on this phone number regarding this order status. So let's place the order. Okay, perfect. So I have placed the order, and this is the order value, and these are the details. Just wait a minute, and let's check if we got order notification here on the WhatsApp. Perfect. And here you can see that I got the order notification from SMSrush. Here you can see online store, that was my store name. Thank you for purchasing your order. This order ID is now processing, right? And if we want to update the order status from here, okay, so let's change the order status, and let's see what kind of notification sent to the customer. Let's say I want to say order is on hold or pending payment, right? So currently it's on the processing. Let's say okay, pending payment and update. And let's see what we got here. We just need to wait a little bit. And here we go, we got a notification that's saying online store, there's store name, thank you for purchasing your order is no pending. All right, so we also updated the complete status, so that will get delivered very soon. So it can take a minute or maybe two, but your message will get delivered on WhatsApp. And same goes for the Android phone for the SMS. So for SMS, you need to install SMSrush app, and for that you can simply download the SMSrush app from the SMSrush portal. Simply click on add device. Here you can simply click on download button, download the app, or you can scan this QR code request to download the app on your phone. So this app is not available on the Play Store. You need to download within the portal, and then you can install that. Maybe you have to enable the to install the unknown apps, but don't worry, it's to 100% secure. And then you need to scan this second QR code to link the device, or maybe you can simply use your email ID and the password that you have used to create account on SMSrush to get logged into your account. And if you want to connect a WhatsApp account with SMSrush, you need to simply link your personal account, or if you have a business WhatsApp account, that's very easy. In the dashboard, you can go to hosts and click on WhatsApp. So here you will see WhatsApp accounts. You can connect multiple accounts depending on your plan that you have subscribed. And this account is connected here. This is my account, and if I want to connect more accounts, you can simply click on add account. And then this is was server 1, so this is their server. And if you need help, you can just contact me. So you can simply click on link account. Yeah, so this is basically drag a QR code fetched from the WhatsApp. So you need to open the WhatsApp, and you need to click on the menu icon, then select a link a device, scan this QR code, and your WhatsApp account will be linked. This is simply the way you open WhatsApp in a browser. And then you can copy a unique ID simply by clicking on this icon and using the plugin. And if you want to run bulk campaigns, you can come here, you can run SMS campaigns. And if you want to run WhatsApp campaigns, you can go to WhatsApp, click on campaigns, and from here you can run multiple campaigns. Click on bulk, and then you can give it a name, add numbers here, or you can save the contacts. You can read the documentation that will be provided in the description. You can read the documentation how to use these things. You can type your message here. You can send the personalized messages, customized messages, and it's easy. You can use the spin text to rotate the different keywords, alternate keywords, or you can also rotate the sentences, so that will generate multiple versions, variations of your message. So the sending your network providing company or WhatsApp will not recognize that you are sending bulk message or same spamming things. And you can also control the sending speed and the WhatsApp account as well. Simply click on this pencil icon. From here you can control the sending interval, minimum, maximum, in seconds. So you can add your time interval here. Same goes for the Android device. Go to Android, click on this pencil icon, and from here you can enable or disable receive messages. You can also enable random sending interval, or you can disable that, and you can add time interval here. And if you want to read apps notification, you can give the app names here. And if you want to set auto replies, that's a very cool function of that. You can simply go to actions, and here you can click on auto reply. So you can also generate auto replies, and SMSrush will do the job for you guys. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video.